Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and I'm about to show you a really cool 2-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle Cristobal Bordiú, which is really close to Rios Rosas metro station, and it's also near Cuatro Caminos and Canal, so it's really well connected, and let's check it out. Alright, well, this is the main door of the apartment, and as we get in, we have living room, bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2 on this side, and kitchen and bathroom on this other side. We're gonna start here first. Okay, this is the kitchen. Okay, so take a look. All right, it is fully equipped. Here we have the fridge and freezer. Okay, really big. Okay, microwave here, washing machine down here, sink, stove, oven, and as I said, it is full equipped. Here we have a bunch of plates and mugs and glasses. Okay, all right, well, let's go to the bathroom. All right, and take a look. That is me. Hi. All right, so let's shut the door. Okay, we have heating unit right here. Okay, sink and bidet right there. We have this giant mirror here and this other one. Okay, and here we have shower and toilet. All right, so let's go to, whoops. All right, let's go to this area. Okay, here we have a little dining area. All right, this table and 4 chairs. And here we have living room. Okay, we have these 2 couches here, really comfortable. Let's try. Okay, we have TV in front of us, and all right, it's an exterior apartment, so that's the street. You want to take a look? All right. Okay, so that's heating unit also, and air conditioning right here. And let's go to bedroom number 1. Has a double bed, has 2 nightstands right there on each side of the bed. Okay, same view as the living room. Heating unit right there. Okay, also air conditioning. Every room has an air conditioning. Also bedroom number 2, and this is a closet, really big. Okay, so let's turn on the light. All right, so you have a lot of space for everything you need and have. Okay, you have a rack to dry your clothes. Okay, and let's go to bedroom number 2. Okay, this one is interior, has no window, but it's really nice. Has a double bed here. Okay, nightstand right here. Okay, also air conditioning and built-in closet. All right, and other side. All right, well, this is it. Thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome Madrid, and see you next time. Bye.